Welcome back to day 68 of the 2026 Python series. Today, we are building your job-winning Python resume, the one that actually gets you interviews. Most junior developers fail during resume screening, not because they can't code, but because their resume doesn't show value. Recruiters spend 6 seconds scanning your resume. That's it. Let me show you how to make every word count. First mistake, long paragraphs. Nobody reads them. Instead, write short, punchy bullet points. Second mistake, no numbers. Don't say, built a web app, say, built a Flask REST API used by 120 plus active users with 99.2% uptime. That number changes everything. Third mistake, generic skills list. If you list 50 technologies, recruiters think you know nothing deeply. Instead, list only tools you've actually used in real projects. Fourth mistake, no links. Your resume should have a clickable GitHub link, LinkedIn profile, and portfolio. Make it easy to see your work. Fifth mistake, sending the same resume everywhere. Spend 5 minutes reading the job posting and adding relevant keywords to your summary and skills section. This helps both recruiters and ATS systems rank you higher. Here's the structure I recommend for 2026. 1. Header. Your name prominently. Your target role, like Python developer. City and country. Email, phone, LinkedIn, GitHub, portfolio. 2. Professional summary. 3 lines. State your target role, your core strength, and 1 proof point. Example. Python developer with hands-on experience building Flask RPS and automating workflows. Built 5+ projects with 300+ GitHub stars. 3. Skills. Group by category, languages, backend, data, database, tools. Only list what you've actually used. 4. Projects. This is most important for freshers. Show 2 to 3 best projects with GitHub and live demo links. For each project, write action verb plus what you built plus tech stack plus measurable result. 5. Experience or internship. If you have it. If not, focus on projects. 6. Education. Degree and school. Now, let me show you the bullet formula that gets interviews. Use this for every project and every job experience bullet. Example. Developed a Flask-based inventory API with PostgreSQL and JWT authentication, reducing stock update errors by 35% and cutting manual data entry time by 8 hours per week. See the difference? Numbers, specific tech, real impact. Here's my final checklist before you submit. 1 page. Yes. Clean formatting. Yes. Grammar perfect. Yes. Links clickable. Yes. Bullets have numbers. Yes. Tailored to job description. Yes. PDF with professional name like first name underscore last name underscore Python underscore resume underscore 2026.pdf. Yes. Do all that, and you'll get 3x more interview callbacks in 2026. Let's build this resume together. I'll show you the template now.